And very tough conditions out there right now, not from pyrocumulus clouds developing into thunderstorms, but thunderstorms to the south of the capital here. And it's creating some gusty winds and also a wind shift throughout the course of the weekend. And since the fire started, shifts in the wind going from the west to the north, back to the southwest, to the east, and now back to the south have been extremely hazardous and problematic for firefighters here. So gusty, erratic winds here this evening. Tuesday starts out fairly calm, but we'll see more of a southwest wind flow set up through the morning hours here, right near the North Hills fire. And this yellow and red here again is wind speed. So right around 5 o'clock, when some thunderstorms pop tomorrow afternoon, we'll likely have some erratic, strong winds developing once again. So buckle up here. It's going to be a wild week. Heading into Wednesday, the wind does calm down here just a little bit. But a little thunderstorm moved right over downtown Helena here in the last couple of minutes. 88 degrees, Great Falls. No thunderstorms, not much even in the way of wind. A northeast wind about 6 miles per hour. Look at the cooler air. Butte and Dillon both at 69. West Yellowstone 72 because of cloud cover and some of the thunderstorms. And there's that wind. It's been coming from the east at times around the capital today, around the west as well. Now it could be switching to the south as we're looking at these thunderstorms coming through. And look at the difference in humidity. Teens, 50s, where we've got some moisture down there around Butte and Dillon. Once again, there's the fire. There's the thunderstorm now moving from Helena to East Helena, the North Hills fire. 4225 acres burned, containment 0%, cost $650,000 thus far. Over 230 people working this fire. Estimated containment September 30th. Estimated containment there. The Bees Cove fire north of Missoula in the Rattlesnake drainage, 182 acres, 0% containment on that one as well. Estimated containment August 8th. And then we've got a fire up here in the northwest part of the state, Flathead Valley, the Moss Ranch fire, the largest fire in the state so far this year, 5,310 acres. Estimated containment hopefully coming up later this week. So there are the thunderstorms moving through the southwestern part of the state, just about up to the capital. A couple of these showers and storms out there around Deer Lodge will again create some gusty winds up there near the North Hills fire here. But there's that thunderstorm moving right over the downtown area here with some very heavy rain that is coming down. These storms are not all dry thunderstorms. They are producing some rain, and we can thank the monsoon high down to our south for bringing up some of that moisture all the way up here into the state. But with the moisture and the thunderstorms, we're getting some of that erratic wind and more lightning strikes as well. So here for the rest of this evening, a couple of showers and thunderstorms again right near the capital, down to the south, Montana City, Clancy, Jefferson City, over through about Townsend. Toston could see a couple of thunderstorms here this evening as well. And the fire, erratic winds here, so definitely difficult firefighting conditions there. Heading into Tuesday afternoon, look at the thunderstorms again developing almost in the same area. We may get a few trying to get up to the Great Falls area. Some storms pushing out through Lewistown once again tomorrow afternoon and evening. And then heading into Wednesday, we get a little break. Lighter wind, a couple of isolated thunderstorms will pop up later on in the afternoon and the evening. So it's going to be an active week. Here's the forecast for tonight. 40s and 50s, dry along the High Line, quiet here along the High Line with generally clear skies, but around Lewistown, Stanford, over the Little Belts, the Big Belts, and around the capital, a couple of thunderstorms here over the next few hours. Here's the forecast for tomorrow. You can see temperatures hot and windy up along the High Line. That's where we've got a red flag warning and some thunderstorms here around the capital. There you can see for the state tomorrow, some of these thunderstorms developing and moving off towards the northeast. For Wednesday, a couple of isolated thunderstorms, hot again. We're in the 90s. Thursday, a better chance at seeing some thunderstorms come through here. Once again, in the 90s with breezy conditions. Thursday is August 1st. And then to Friday, that's a good chance of seeing some thunderstorms come through. Hopefully, we'll see some moisture and not just erratic wind and lightning strikes with these thunderstorms. There you can see it dries out a little bit heading into the weekend, but that wind keeps up and it keeps switching directions, going from the southwest to the north, back to the southwest to the north. Very difficult fire weather conditions, very difficult for those firefighters in fighting those fires.
All right, thanks for that, Curtis. And Sam, what do we got coming up next in sports?